Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu na Oraifite, ma ọ bụ ịkpọ m aka jugo. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị tata, n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ why you should be submissive to your husband. Why you should be submissive to your husband. I will kwuo na nke bụ eziokwu, one of the mandates given to woman on earth is to be submissive to the husband. Because nwaanyị ọbụla na-erube isi wee nye di ya na-enwe ngozi pụrụ iche. A na-afụ ya n'anya pụrụ iche. Ọ na-amakwazi obi di ya. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na ama enwenata captain na-abụ n'ofu ụgbọ. You must learn how to be submissive to your husband. Very important. Ọ bụrụ na ị mụtara ka esi adị submissive to your husband in all ramifications. Yes, both in physical or spiritual aspect. You must allow your husband to lead, because your husband happens to be the priest of the household. I didn't happy isi aka wee na-agba ụrịọ. Onye ndị Igbo na-atụrụ ilu wee kwụsị na isi a na-adịkwa ata ebe akpọrọ ya na ọ bụrụ na imenatara dị ọ dịrị gị mma. Mgbe gburugburu mgbe ezi dị n'ụkwụ ụkwa na-abụ nwaanyị pụta ụlọ ụtụtụ ojekwa esi ya nna anyị ụtụtụ ọma ihu na ebe ndị eri ọ taa pụọ gị at the back si gị oriakụ m ọ ya adịrị gị mma ọ gọzie gị ịnara ngọzi ụtụtụ. Mgbe elu bụ anọ ọsa ọ ihe ndị a ka ị kwesịrị ịgba. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na ndị Igbo na-atịrụ si na ogori mara obi die ọ dị ka o ji ọgwụ jide ya. The highest study can give the man is respect, and they cannot be talking about respect without submission. All that respect in whenever onye a ga-eme ka ịdị submissive, and the ones in the submissive ya bụ Chukwu okike mere ya nwoke ka ọ bụ the priest of the house, the head of the family, will bless you abundantly. Ihe ndị a dị ihe ndị ọzọ ka anyị ji maka ya bịa n'ụbọchị taa ka anyị kọwara gị ka ị wee tiwara gị aka oyibo nsogbe. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. Echefuna na anyị ka na month of August. Our group ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Yes. Ndị mmadụ na-esonyela anyị site na ngalaba ụwa dị iche iche. Anyị malitere ịchụ aja anyị n'igwe ihe karịgoro 3 years. Believe in me, we have massive testimonies. Yes. Mana ihe na-achọ ịkọwara gị bụ na ike dị na aja a na-achụ ụlọ igwe maka na igwe bụ ike. Anyị dịgọ m n'isi ụtụtụ aja chụọ aja gaa ọfọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị niile sonyela anyị all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission, and the consecrated group. Yes, I have other partners that partner all over the world. Now, after I expect that the last day of the month, I get a million. They pay Loma Chuaja. Could be open a Hamadu to be a temple, Chuaja to entities of powers. They never Chuaja, Buebu, Mesaraka. I get was you get Damusura Hamadu. The two I see me, who governor. So I want to Israel, I hear a mail forward a 3 prayer requests I get the daughter. Then make token donation to the account number. I chat him now WhatsApp. I've got other details we need for you in order to book it. Now, one cable, I've already a child of the temple, Echefuna. Now, annual festival for the year. This year, I'm on September 16. After Anyana, all the children of the temple all over the world, we may we keep a woman name Mabia. After Anyana, support to the festival. And the Malone this year festival, the very unique, no special festival. Our special festival, that's Chefuna, no festival, no idea with celebration. Now, I home to more than a temple. Yes. Program okay, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu. Then, this year, the very unique, no special festival. I got a foundation laying of the place of worship of Ogbuefi Ezeana. After I know the child of the temple, God contribute to whatever the person can towards making it a reality. Now, the now fans all over the world so always the other details you need the moment they try to na nkuzi ya anọta ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị afa mmiri emi. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805-783-7672 or 0813-8243-871. Ị na-anya na screen gị ga-afụ nọmbas ndị a mkpọrọ. Lecture ama adị ogologo mana pay attention. It's a life-changing lecture. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Ekwuru m na why you should be submissive to your husband as a woman. Ekwuo ọ na-asọ mmadụ irube isi. Even for the ancient law is boldly written. Na irube isi ka ịchụ aja mma. You cannot be talking about being have sacrificed this, you have sacrificed that in relationship or even in marriage. You'll be talking about what is sacrifice without submission. And total submission bụ ihe na-esi n'obi apụta. Ọ bụrụ chọọ ihe Chukwu okike tụrụ anya n'aka mmadụ bụ total submission to the will of God. O nwere ihe ọzọ Chukwu chọrọ n'aka gị. Ijekwa na Bible na adeta allegorical story akọla anyị na Bible maka ndị agwọrọ ọrịa. Ewesị ọtụtụ mgbe na even na Bible ka ọ ga-abụ Jizọs wee ndị ọgwọrọ ọrịa ọsị ha jekwu ụkọchukwu ajegoso ụkọchukwu onwe ha wee kọpụta ọlụ ebube wee nye ekele. So ọ bụrụ na ị bụrụ somebody na-enwe the spirit of gratitude, na-eme ihe appreciate, na-enwe spirit of thanksgiving, imagine that submissive. Before you dị submissive to ihe ọbụla, ọ ga-abụ ihe ị kwetara na ihe a nwere impact on the play in your life. Na ihe a nwere impact on the play in your well-being. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na ọ bụrụ na ị bụrụ onye na-adị submissive, even before God ị adị submissive. And nke bụ eziokwu na adị amụ aka ebe na nka. Onye ọbụla ị bụrụ nwoke na-achọ nwaanyị ọbụla enwere ike ịdị submissive to onye tọrọ ya nụ, to a mentor, ma ọ bụ nne ma ọ bụ nna. Nwaanyị a ma nnata submissive na marriage. Adị amụ aka ebe na nka. Ọ bụrụ ihe ị ga-asị let me marry her, I will teach her how to be submissive. No. Character onye a na-eweta na the marriage bụ character ọ bụ o nwere originally. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Mana gị ụmụ nwaanyị, ọtụtụ ụmụ nwaanyị na-eme na my inbox na-complain eji eme ha nka na-eji eme ha nka. Mana when you dissect what is the cause, primary cause of that problem, if that woman will ego. A woman should not have ego. A woman ọ bụrụ ihe eji gbara nwaanyị. Ọ bụrụ na nna na-echọrọ ịnọ na BP. Even you, onye agbara ọrụ, you must learn how to come down from the high horse. Ka mmalụ ga ka gwara gị akụkọ ihe mere na Bible maka ndị ga-asị ole nga ọ dị n'akwụkwọ nsọ. Ije na akwụkwọ ancient book na ebe a na-akọ akụkọ gbasara Isaac. Mgbe Rebeka mgbe a chọtara Isaac nwaanyị na Isaac na onwe ya mgbe e chọta ya bụ Rebeka, ka Rebeka na-abịa o si na obi gbagotarụ, ọ nọ na high horse, ọ nọ na ịnyịnya. Ozugbo ọ na-abịa wee fụ Isaac ebe Isaac na wee gwa ya na onye Isaac a bụ onye ga-abụ di ya. She came down from the horse in order to walk towards the husband, and the husband embraced her. I want to be here with that your high horse in on here. You might think that you are more educated, more intelligent, or you have more gifts than your husband. I can tell you that you need to be submissive. You must appreciate. Also, on a high horse. I'm not here with your high horse. You know, don't worry, you are calling. Have you asked yourself why is it that some women, especially in that or nowadays, now find it difficult on you know working? You hear what how things work. You need the water on a digging about the crown on your hair. You got idea? If we say the total submission, upon the submission, it's a claim, they call submissive, and not taboo. He marry here no pretense. Total submission need total submission in all ramification. You don't need that taboo. In that taboo, you marry hope that you are pretending. You are not doing it with all your heart. And believe in me, just matter of time. You will be tired of pretending. And here will be that one I have. Get a gun, they come back here. I want to be have also high horse. Oh, what he with a gift. Oh, what he will only wear all your ọ kwụziri ike na ịkakwuo dị gị nwee gift. Ọ nwere ike ike adịghị na-akpata ego. O nwere ike ike adịghị ka nwee dị intelligent. O nwere ike ike adị smart. But for the fact that he choose here because di nwere gị, yes, all di nwere gị. I want to hear that language, that Igbo language is no onye abụ di nwere. Yes, you have na all di nwere gị. Ya kpụ na onye nwa bụ ya Lord ị na-afụ anya. I nwere ike isi na ifuru Chukwu n'anya, but you can't even submit yourself, be submissive to your husband. This is a man that did the needful. This is the man that paid the dowry, paid the bride price. Obro mmadụ niile na-asị gị like that actually loves you. Is that person that did what is exceptional. That person that is so bold. That person that left everything and decided to do the needful. Let me tell you, there are so many fishes in the ocean. That one, not other ones that are appreciating you, or maybe they are praising you for nothing. But that one that made the bold step and choose you among all the fishes and did the right thing, what stop you from respecting that person in all ramification? Both in any decision, both in bedroom activities, both in everything. You must, even if you are from the high horse, you must come down from that your high horse. You must tell your forces, even if you are called one, that I have choose this man to be my head, to be my husband, to be the head of this family. You must accord him with all total respect. And you must let your forces know that you have accepted this man to be your head, to be the man in your house. And tell them that they don't have any choice than to accept him because you have chosen him. Even if you are a graduate, you are more educated than your husband. What you have to do is, even if you go to work, coming back, maybe you earn more than him, just hang that your academic qualifications on the outside gate. Then come to the house, remain the wife he married, remain submissive. Next day, when you are going to work, go to the gate and pick up your garment of qualification. Yes. So what am I saying? Before your price, we know what he offer in you. And know what vision. When he offer in you, feel that this thing gave of great help to galvanize his vision so that he will be able to move from point A to point B. So your mission is to help him to actualize that dream he saw in you and believe that that dream will be a plus to his own set goals. Now you must be submissive to him. If you are not willing to submit to your husband, why get him married? In marriage, the man is the head of the family, has a vision. Why he married you is that he saw you as somebody that will complement him to achieve his set goals. You are not the head. Yes. However, if you want to contribute, you cannot have this ambition of let me lead him. No. Instead, you have many options. Provide them to him politely and let two of you dissect it and allow the man to rule. There is a way politely you can get best out of whatever bargain you want from the man. That is why the masculine power as oga na gata ihe. Then the woman the feminine, yes, and seductive powers, to use it to galvanize and to use it to strike a balance with the man's power. So if you know how to use the woman virtue, I can tell you, you will benefit well from the man's decision. but you must not be autocratic or giving it as instruction or orders. Why a man married you is not because of anything. It's just for you to help him achieve. That a man decides to marry is not because of food. Because before he married you, or they are born, na nke amaka na-egbu as a born eji ụfọdụ n'ime ha akwụkwa special chef self. Ọ bụrụ maka mmanya, ọ bụrụ maka nri, ọ bụrụ maka anything. Ịghọtara ya? Ihe nwoke niile n'aka gị ihe weta submissive. Yes, all very important. If he's other thing, if he's the thing that is because of sex, he can get sex from street girls. If he's food, he can get food from the food vendors. Yes, but what he needs is total submission. Someone that will key into his vision and help him to achieve that set goals. So if he lacks total submission, forget it, he will never be a good wife. And let me tell you, submissiveness is not what you will learn when you got married. No. If you're a type that you are not submissive person to people around you, to your senior, believe me, even if you get married, you will not be submissive because you did not start. You can't learn it because you didn't think that it's possible or important in life. So why you should be submissive to your husband is because you have already accepted him as the head of the family. It's not because of what he achieved. Because if it's because of he's so handsome, yes, that can fade away. He has money, he can why money can go. But learn how to be submissive because you have already accepted him as the head because of the position he plays in your life. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, I want us to do deep consultation for you. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri ike nke Chineke na-apụghị ezi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya n'ihi na ọ masịrị ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu Premier be with you all. May you be favored. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie.